Hey y'all, Scrapin the Coast is like a miniature cruising the coast with low riders and imports and slam trucks and all that. We're gonna go check it out. It's this Saturday. This is the Thursday before. And like anybody that has something to bring, there's a deadline and you gotta meet it. My buddy Ryan has a shaved tailgate for his Silverado. And the problem is where the factory step went, you have the Rivnuts holes to fill in. He did a great job shaving where the tailgate was, and he put the tailgate handle on the inside, so it'll be a completely smooth tailgate. And he was like, D, you mind welding this for me? Because the last guy he brought anything to weld up for him just laid a heavy bead and warped the whole panel. So when you weld sheet metal, you got to use just little taps and fill the hole in, kind of in a circle. So I'm gonna go ahead and take care of Ryan's tailgate. Check it out. So I got the first one. Let's see here. So the first one's filled in. It's just a little high. I'm gonna go ahead and grind this off after it cools a little bit and fill in whatever's left. So I got 4 more to do. Let's make it happen. So we got them all filled in, no more holes. We're gonna go ahead and grind them flat and see if we missed anything. And put a nice smooth edge on that tailgate. That way when he primes and paints it, they'll never know there was ever holes any there. Battery went dead. I haven't charged this thing in like 2 weeks. Back to grinding. I like this battery operated freight harbor grinder. It only spins 8,000 RPMs and it doesn't put any extra heat. So there's no real warpage. Does everything the expensive ones do, but only turns 8,000 RPM, so it really doesn't overheat the sheet metal. So I got just a few little pinholes in here. Man, this is nice and smooth too. I don't feel any concave. Little pinhole there. Yeah, same thing, same similar. Man, it's nice and hard too. Yeah, now all this panel. Hey, it's gonna come out good. Just a little past the body filler and this thing will be perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and tack in the little spots. Make it perfect, call them, tell them come pick it up. Here's what the second pass looks like. It's just got a little bit to take off. But when you just tack, and you keep that sheet metal cool, it won't buckle or shrink on you. So when you weld it in little holes and pinholes and got little light thin metal, this is my machine. It's 20-year-old freight harbor. Ain't done me wrong yet. It can run the gas, but I just use flux core. Use like a stick welder. Wires at half speed, minimum 2. So there's 8 settings altogether. Min max 1, 2. So the machine I got, I'm using it right in the middle of the range of everything and just taking my time and just touching around the holes till the metal fills in. A little bit of body skimmer and it's good to go. So we're grounded down, nice and flat. No real bumps. I think he took more damage off with the belt sander, getting the Rivnuts out. Yeah, no, that nice and solid. That's good stuff. Yeah, put a real thin skim of body filler on that. This is built up way higher than the where the Rivnuts were. Well, there you go. Filled in the Rivnut holes on a Chevy tailgate. Gonna let Ryan come get it, smooth it, paint it, and we'll see him at Scrapin the Coast. Catch y'all next week.
Like it, subscribe.
Catch y'all.